Product real shot appearance. Vibratory ball feeding. Insulator assembly. Sleeve pre-assembly. Insulator sleeve fastening. Insulator sleeve spot stacking. CC division inspection. GT depth inspection. Insulator feeding. Outer conductor feeding. Outer conductor insulator assembly. Outer conductor insulator fastening spot stacking. GT depth inspection. CC division inspection. Assembly completion and loading. Finished male outer conductor assembly.